So we're working on the Eldorado today, trying to get it going. I'm trying to get all the mouth stuff cleaned out. I bombed the inside with bug bombs. We're getting it stripped down. We're getting the top stripped down because it goes to get a top. And yeah, so we had the bug bombs in here going off. She's full of spiders and mice and stuff. We got the hot shot foggers. Got like 4 of them in this bad boy. We got the trusty Kirby. We got the engine bay cleaned, and we got the engine purring a little bit. We still gotta fix some. Look at that. Look at that. Poor bag. Poor Kirby's just so stuffed. I don't think Mr. Kirby could eat another bite. But we shall continue on. Let's see what goodies we find. Ooh, we got the Shell Rotella 1540. Some of that. Look at that. An empty peanut. A bag. Hey, look, electrical tape. Some Champion copper plugs. Are they used? Or are they new? Well, they're new. Those look like the stuff lawnmowers would use. Let's, I'm not gonna hurt this hood. Okay. A filter for something. Might be for this, it might be for something else. We don't know. $36.75. I will not be putting that on one of my motors, just given the condition of the box. If you get anything in your motor, you're screwed. Let's see. Super Tech 2-cycle. We got strong arm lift support. Empty package. It's like an archaeological dig. Some Omni Spark box. Empty bottle of glass cleaner. It's $1 from the Family Dollar. We got Super Tech gear oil. It has been used. GL5. We won't be using that. What we need for it. Merc on 3. O'Reilly brand. I'm not sure if transmission fluid has an expiration date. GM certified service, but I never did transmissions, and that was never my thing. Holy crap. 600 volt welding cable. Wow. We'll save that for something. A umbrella with a, is that a mouth? Oh, I think the bug worms killed a fluffy. Killed a tiny fluffy. Oh. Those are trash. Ew. Fluffy died. Some spark plug wires. Ew. Ow. I knocked mine. You sit down for a minute. So I can put my board back. All right. Woo. So we have a hubcap, which goes to the car, which probably get custom runs. We're gonna retro mod it, hot rod black. This thing's gonna be a wicked car. Alright. We got a cam ordered for it. Oh, yeah. Fluffy has Oh, Fluffy has been busy. So I think I just need to bring a dumpster over. I really do. I think we need to just, ooh, we got some old handicap plates. Yeah, I'm thinking the dumpster. We had carpet and some of this other stuff in the trunk here. So I'm still just excavating. And it's been all day of excavating. What excavating it is. How fun. How fun. Also trying to put together a second engine crane. So, engine hoist. So we'll be pulling the motor on the Eldo because we've got chrome oil pans. We're gonna chrome that engine out and cam it. So, I mean, yes, it will remain matching numbers, but we will do some stuff to the engine just to mild cam and stuff, make it a little more fun. Instead of fuel injection, it will have 4-barrel with a Cadillac performer intake. And we have ideas. And we have started. And that's great when we have ideas. Because, well, we have fun. So, my plan is to have lots of fun. But I have leg surgery coming up because I did stupid stuff to my leg and got bit by a brown recluse. And so, it is been healing, which is why there's been no huge videos over the summer, which sucks because I like to get all my projects like this done over the summer. I can't tell if that's an actual Fluffy mouse or I think it's just I think it's actual Fluffy mouse. It's like petrified in there. God, if I can tell. It's trash. That's old. That's empty. Old. Diesel injector cleaner. Don't need that. Don't need that. That's empty. Empty with another umbrella. Wait it now. Pull by. Good job. Hey, I found Zoa's piece to the lawnmower. Shift forward neutral. This looks like maybe like a MTD mower. Remember some of the MTDs having a thing like that. Can't wait to get this thing going. Only has 33,000 original miles. That is just nuts low miles. I think almost got me again. Hey, look, we got new finish. Sure, that's still good. Yeah. You got a light for something. Might be for this. That might be for this. I don't know. Another plug wire. We'll just deliver consolidated freightways. Huh. Look at that. Oh, it's a logbook. Awesome. Again, this has just been a treasure trove that has been sitting since 1985. and I am just, you know, working on it. So that's the update. We got to, there's some more nasty stuff in there. We got to kind of go through the trunk with me, and we're gonna go from there. And y'all have a wonderful day, and thank you for watching the wonderful trunk dissection. Enjoy. I'll see you again.